Meron na naman uli akong ma-harvest. Inuunahan ako ng mga ibon at saka bunny dito minsan. Oops. We have a visitor here every day. Mahirap lang makita yung mga bunga niya. So, kailangan halongkatin mo talaga. Dito. I need to remove some of the runners to kasi ang dami ng runners. Ganda oh. Maliliit lang yung mga bunga niya. Pero okay na yan. They are not so big. It's tiny strawberries. Oh, there's nothing. Uh-oh. I think this one is overripe already. Ayan, nakakatuwa lang kasi ang dami ko nang na-harvest dito. Ayan. Okay, marami pa doon. Over here. Ayan, kinain na ng ibon. Oh, I don't know if it's a bird or there's no right here. Or bunny.